Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove words like ums and like pauses and just like filler words on your videos in CapCut PC. This is a pro feature though, so just add your video to the timeline and I'm going to select this bit right here, remove filler words, and it's going to analyze, identifying filler words, repeats, and pauses as well. It also depends on how long your video is. I might just make this a little bit shorter so it doesn't analyze it too long. I'm just waiting right now for it to analyze. And it's going to show you there's filler words and pauses. If you don't want to delete it, just untick it. If you want to delete it, just press it. You can also select it and play it so you know what it deletes, and you're just going to press delete when you're done. Of course, I can't use it because I don't have the pro feature, but that is how. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.